Hello everyone, I am going to show you how to add iCards in your YouTube videos. Let's go. At first go through YouTube website. Then click the channel logo, YouTube Studio. In this tab, click video. Select any one of your previous uploaded video. I take this video. After getting this tab, click iCards. If you put iCard as a video, click a plus mark. Then select any one of your video. Adjust the timing of the iCards. Then play the video. The iCards will appear above the video. As same as put playlist also. Then click plus mark. Select any one of your playlist. Adjust the timing, then play the song. iCard will appear above the video as a playlist. If you put channel as a iCards, then click plus mark. Search your channel. Select your channel and put custom message like channel name. Then put a teaser text like do subscribers or subscribe my channel. Then click save button and the iCards will appear at the above the video. Here I hope you understand how to put iCards in your YouTube videos. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button for more updates.